Maintenance. The word might make you think of getting your furnace serviced, or your car worked on, or perhaps you think of high maintenance and begin remembering a former girlfriend you might have stayed with longer than you really should have for all the wrong reasons. But today, we're talking about AGV maintenance. AGV mobile robots are the workhorses of modern logistics. But just like your furnace or your car, these robots need regular maintenance to keep them running at peak performance. Batteries wear out, sensors need calibration, and over time, parts like wheels, belts, and motors may need to be replaced. So let's start with the battery. Lithium-ion and lead-acid batteries, commonly used in AGVs, degrade with each charge-discharge cycle. Over time, chemical reactions inside the battery reduce its ability to hold a charge, leading to shorter runtimes. AGV batteries naturally degrade over time after working day in and day out, just like your car battery. That means to keep your AGVs running efficiently, you'll need to replace the batteries eventually, again, just like your car. Now let's take a look at the drive system. Wheels, bearings, and motors wear down and eventually need to be tuned or replaced. Regular inspections ensure your system stays in top shape. AGVs rely on sensors like LiDAR, cameras, and encoders to navigate. These sensors need to be cleaned, calibrated, and sometimes replaced to maintain accuracy. Software matters too. Diagnostics, firmware updates, and log reviews are all part of keeping your fleet healthy. Other common tasks: replacing belts, checking wiring, and making sure safety systems like bumpers and emergency stops are working properly. At America in Motion, we don't just deliver AGVs, we train your team to maintain them. Our training covers everything: hardware, software, troubleshooting, so your team can handle maintenance in-house. If your team prefers more of a hands-off approach, our experienced technicians are available to perform on-site maintenance and support whenever needed. Training is built into every contract, with optional follow-up training available on request. With America in Motion, you're not just investing in automation, you're building a team that knows how to keep it moving. Interested in an AGV system for your facility? Click the link below to speak with one of our AGV experts today. And hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of Inside Mobile Manufacturing.